Keynote from the AI/ML architect, Pradeep K. Suri. The AI 3D DNN engine for HRMIS and payroll marks a paradigm shift in how enterprise HR data is interpreted, processed, and reported. By structuring employee lifecycle inputs ranging from attendance to taxation into a layered neural network, we unlock real-time, rules-based intelligence that mirrors human decision-making but operates at unmatched scale and precision. Each of the 12 hidden layers functions as a policy-aware computation core, ensuring every output, be it payslips, compliance dashboards, or executive forecasts, is not only automated but also audit-ready and dynamically explainable. This model isn't just about payroll automation, it's about enabling strategic foresight for every stakeholder. From top management analyzing CTC variances and attrition trends to operations teams resolving payroll queries in real time, the AI engine delivers contextual insights through intelligent reports and vibrant visualizations. Designed with compliance, transparency, and learning in mind, this engine transforms static data into a living, learning system that grows with the organization's HR and business evolution. Integrated document of the HRMIS and payroll system in India, powered by a deep neural network, DNN, with 12 hidden layers and 30 outputs, covering all stakeholder levels. Bluebook HRMIS and payroll in India. AI 3D DNN engine model, inputs, hidden layers, and 30 integrated outputs. Architect, Pradeep K. Suri. Receipt I inputs, master, weekly, monthly. White heavy check mark A master inputs, static data. 1 employee ID. 2 employee name. 3 date of joining. 4 date of birth. 5 designation. 6 department. 7 work location. 8 bank account details. 9 PAN number. 10 Aadhaar number. 11 UAN, EPF. 12 ESI number. 13 employment type, permanent, contractual. 14 grade/band. 15 reporting manager. 16 base salary structure. 17 tax regime, old/new. 18 HRA eligibility. 19 PF applicability. 20 ESI applicability. Tear off calendar B weekly inputs. 1 weekly attendance. 2 weekly leaves, casual, sick, earned. 3 overtime hours. 4 shift allowances. 5 work from home records. 6 on-site work days. 7 weekly performance rating. 8 late coming/early leaving. Calendar C monthly inputs. 1 monthly bonuses/incentives. 2 deductions, EMIs, advances, penalties. 3 reimbursements, travel, food, medical. 4 loss of pay, LOP, days. 5 tax declarations. 6 salary revision/arrears. 7 gratuity eligibility/settlement info. 8 resignation/exit details, if any. Brain 2. 12 hidden layers, calculation stages in DNN. Layer calculation description. Keycap 1 gross salary computation. Keycap 2 attendance adjustment, prorata salary. Keycap 3 leave and LOP deductions. Keycap 4 incentive and bonus processing. Keycap 5 reimbursement netting. Keycap 6 provident fund, PF, calculations. Keycap 7 ESI computations. Keycap 8 professional tax and other statutory deductions. Keycap 9 income tax deduction, TDS slab-based. Keycap 10 net pay finalization. Keycap 1 pay slip generation and cost center mapping. Keycap 1 Keycap 2 government compliance output, PF, ESI, TDS. Outbox tray 3. 30 outputs, consolidated for all stakeholders. No. Output description stakeholder. 1 payroll summary by department, total payouts by team/unit top management. 2 CTC forecasting future cost to company top management. 3 attrition and replacement cost, exit cost plus hiring impact top management. 4 salary benchmarking, market vs internal comparison top management. 5 compliance risk dashboard, alerts for statutory issues top management. 6 headcount and manpower budget plan vs actual workforce top management. 7. Salary projection vs actual forecasting variance top management. 8. Payroll anomaly detection, AI, detects salary errors/anomalies top management. 9. Resource productivity index KPI vs compensation top management. 10. HR finance alignment salary and cost coordination top management. 11. Department-wise payroll team level breakdown middle management. 12. Budget vs actual payroll control report middle management. 13. Overtime analysis extra hours cost middle management. 14. Incentive summary bonus payout tracking middle management. 15. Leave and attendance trends absentee trends middle management. 16. Performance linked pay KPI to pay analysis middle management. 17. Pay revision tracker history of increments middle management. 18. Cost center report mapping salary to cost centers middle management. 19. HR policy triggers leave misuse/violations middle management. 20. Training ROI on salary impact of learning middle management. 21. Individual payslip employee net payslip operational. 22. YDD earnings statement annual income breakdown operational. 23. Tax worksheet, Form 16, TDS and taxable salary operational. 24. Leave balance report CL, SL, L status operational. 25. Reimbursement status approved/pending operational. 26. Loan/advance tracker ME progress operational. 27. S dashboard self-service portal data operational. 28. Gratuity and final settlement exit report operational. 29. Employee life cycle cost total cost from entry to exit operational. 30. Query redressal tracker HR resolution status operational. Classical building 4. Government and bank integrations, via outputs 5, 8, 12, 23. PF, ESI and TDS filing via auto-generated reports. Form 16 and 24 QE filing. Digital salary advice sheets for banks. Statutory registers per Indian labor law. PAN and Aadhaar verification logs. Here's an explanation of how the AI3DDNN engine for HRMIS and payroll processes input data to generate dynamic output reports and graphs, based on from software system and AI workflow perspective. Movie camera explanation of the video, AI3D HRMIS and payroll engine. Brain 1. Core concept, DNN-driven HRMIS engine. The video visually presents how an AI-powered deep neural network, DNN, is layered into a 3-stage software engine. Inputs, master, weekly, monthly. Hidden processing layers, 12 intelligent HR rules. Outputs, 30 reports for stakeholders. This system mimics human-like decision-making by learning from HR and payroll rules. Inbox tray 2. Input stage, capturing data from software modules. The video begins by showing 3 key input channels. Master inputs like employee ID, designation, salary structure. Weekly inputs such as attendance, late marks, overtime. Monthly inputs including bonuses, deductions, LOPs, tax declarations. These data streams are captured from ERP modules, like SAP, Oracle, or custom HR systems, and fed into the AI engine. Repeat button 3. Processing stage, 12 hidden layers of payroll logic. The AI3DDNN engine processes data through 12 logic-driven layers, which are depicted like neuron activations in the video. Each layer simulates a payroll rule or statutory logic. 1. Gross salary computation. 2. Prorata attendance adjustments. 3. Leave and LOP deduction. 4. Incentive and bonus mapping. 5. Reimbursement handling. 6. Provident fund, PF, logic. 7. ESI logic. 8. Professional tax and state-specific compliance. 9. TDS/income tax deductions. 10. Final net pay calculation. 11. Pay slip generation and cost center assignment. 12. Government compliance reporting, PF, ESI, TDS. Each layer acts like a transformation filter, refining the data before forwarding it to output neurons. Bar chart 4. Output stage, 30 dynamic reports and graphs. The video then showcases how the final results are directed toward 30 outputs, classified into Top management. CTC forecasting, attrition cost, compliance dashboard. Pushpin middle management. Department payroll, overtime cost, leave patterns. Pushpin operational level. Pay slips, tax worksheets, reimbursement status. Pushpin external, government and banks. Auto-generated PF, ESI, Form 16, salary advice files. The video highlights animated Sankey flows showing how the data branches out into various report formats, bar charts, YDD summaries, dashboards. Control knobs 5. Software integration and real-time AI insights. In the backend, this system is integrated with payroll databases, attendance management systems, finance and accounting modules, government e-filing portals. AI algorithms detect anomalies, generate predictions, like attrition risk, and visualize KPIs using plotly/dash-based charts as depicted in the video. Pushpin summary. The video represents a real-time, software-integrated, AI-powered HR engine, capable of automating and optimizing payroll, compliance, and workforce analytics with transparency and efficiency. End arrow designed by Brain Pradeep K. Suri. AI Engine Architect Mentor ERP Innovator.